Okay, we had another check on this one earlier this year. Bad transformer. Forgot what else. Oh, we had a shorty contactor. But now the AC's running, but I don't have any fan. I don't have any fan. Okay, the G terminal's hooked up. Oh crap, I don't have any I don't have any tape down here. Tape. Let me steal a screw. I think I gotta wait for a thermostat to reset before I get any power anywhere, because I think it's gonna be on a lockout. Let's see. Okay, no. I'm hoping it's just a thermostat. Okay, so let's see, do we have a call on Y? No, I got a call nowhere. It's on a lockout. Thermostat's got me locked out for a minute here. Give me a few minutes. Alright, so son of a gun. Did start up. Condenser started up. No fan. But I did hear a click on the board. And I'm hoping it's not the board. Oh, and it is. So if I go C to G, if I go C to G, I got voltage, so it's a control board. It's the relay on the control board. And to verify that, what I'll do is I'll disconnect my transformer right here. And I'll take a fan lead and I'll put it right to the transformer. Well, if you guys were watching, took the transformer lead off over here, verify the fan works, take a fan lead, just touch it to the transformer lead, fan works. 036. Let me see if I got it on the truck. I'm pretty sure I do. Okay, I did have it on the truck, so that's my condenser. That's my humidifier. Blue is my comment on the thermostat. open. Doesn't look burnt. The relay's right here. Interesting. Well, let's get a new one in here. Get a new one in here. Transformer lead. Hot. Neutral. Park. My spares. My other spare. That goes on my transformer. Right here. That's it, all my neutrals get hooked up. Get our thermostat wires hooked up. This is a common. Don't know what's up with that, man. Get my condenser hooked back up. That's a common wire. This is a common wire. And humidifier. Oh, screwed that one up. My light is slipping. The light is slipping off my head. Oh, that one's not in there neither. Okay. And I missed the plug. Igniter, hot surface ignition. And I'm just wondering why this thing's bouncing around. Missing a screw. Missing a screw. I need a screw. Oh, I don't know where the screw's at. Oh, here's one. Oh, here's a bunch. There. It's not bouncing around like it was before. Screw in the bottom. Alright, now I gotta wait for the delay, I think, on the thermostat. Alright, just clicked on bad board. Okay, like I said, I had a previous tech out on that one where we replaced a transformer. Found a shorted out contact. Shit, I'm spitting seeds all over here. Found a shorted out contactor. That's what smoked that transformer. So when the other tech put that back in, everything ran fine. So we changed the contactor out the transformer. Everything ran fine. And then now I get there today. You can hear the click on the board, like the fan relay is going to click, or it did click, but no fan. And usually what I do to, like I showed you, or maybe you've seen, I don't know, because I had a camera in all different directions here, where you just, you know, you got 120 volts of power right on that transformer terminal, the primary or XMFR. You just unplug that, leave the power plugged into it, and jump a motor lead over to it, just to see if that fan works. If fan works, you know it's board or the thermostat. Obviously, if you're getting a call from the thermostat up top on the G terminal, it's going to be the board, unfortunately. And that thing fell right out of warranty, out of the 10-year warranty, so I did have to charge them for a board. I didn't charge them for labor or service call since we were just out. I just charged them for the board. So I thought that was fair. It just kind of sucks, you know. So we are off to the next one, somewhere, someplace. And you guys know what you need to do. Hit up the GoFundMe for my son's cancer. Getting ready for surgery. Today's June 2nd. We're going in the 7th, so we got a lot of tracking back and forth to the hospital to do, which sucks. What can you do? But yeah, GoFundMe, the Zelle, the Venmo. Hit me up down in the comments, questions.